Natureplast, we are part of Pilot 1 in DiMAT. So our role as a company is to modify polymers to optimize their properties. The idea is that we produce these new materials and then we send to other partners in Pilot 1 so that they can produce filaments and nets with the materials we produced. And our role in the project will be to do our daily work, but using the different tools developed by DiMAT. So we will test and assess the various toolkits that the other partners of the DiMAT project are developing. We will test the three suits of DiMAT project. We will use the first suit, the data and assessment suit, because it's a repository for materials data and we have lots of material data in our process. And it will help us to store and to use all the information about properties of material, about environmental performances, and so on. We will also use the second suit. So it's a modeling and design suit because it will help us to optimize our formulations. When we mix polymers together or with additives, we hope that the suits will help us to choose the best components and the best ratios for each component. And then we will also use a simulation and optimization suit, so the third suit, because it will help us to simulate our process, our extrusion process, and to find the best parameters for the transformation, for the processing of the polymers. So for the moment, we are helping the partners who are developing and improving the various suits. So we are gathering information from our process, from our materials, and we give them to the other partners so that it can feed the toolkits. And then when the toolkits are ready, we will, with the help of people developing them, we will test them, try to use it in our process and to test at each step what we can gain with the use of the toolkits. We think that it will have lots of added values that can be very interesting for some small companies like us. First, we expect that we can decrease the time, the money, and also the material used in our process to define the best formulation, the best recipe of materials. Because using the different tools, we can have less try and failure iterations. We can make less tests, so save money, save time, and save materials, which is very important for us. Doing this, we hope that we could also increase our environmental performance, because if we can have a process that will use less time, less material, it will also use less energy on the different equipment. So maybe we could also achieve some environmental improvements.